Welcome to Hrit Academy. Dear +U2 graduates of Batch 2079-80, we are thrilled to invite you to the Farewell Program 2081, a special event dedicated to celebrating your exciting journey and remarkable achievements. This is a moment to reflect on the memories we've created together and to look forward to the bright futures that lie ahead. Please join us in this joyous occasion as we honor our graduates and express our gratitude to all who have been part of Hrit's incredible journey. Your presence will make this day truly unforgettable. Hrit Academy, smart choice for smart students.